Hey guys, we're going to look at adding more. So the other day we talked about adding 1. So today we're going to talk about adding 2 and then adding 3 to a number. All right, so if I am at the number 2 and I want to add 2 more, let's see what number I'm going to be at. So here I'm at the number 2 and I go 1, 2 more. What number do I end up on? The number 4. Very good. All right, if I'm on 4 and I want to go 2 more numbers, what number do I end up on? 1, 2, 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. If I'm at 6 and I want to add 2 more, 1, 2, what number do I end up at? 8. Very good. All right, so now what happens if I want to add 3 to a number? Let's start with 1. If I have one object, so let's put one object, and I add 3 more, 1, 2, 3, what number do I end up on? Let's try. I have one dot down here. 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 3 equals 4. Good. So what if I have 3 and I add 3 to it? Let's look right here. 1, 2, 3. I end up on the number 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6.